edition of Wow Wednesday with Madison County 4-H and me, Miss Beth. Well, you know, it's gonna be springtime pretty soon, and I tell you what, I love spring. I love the flowers that are there all over the place. Well, today I'm gonna teach you how to make your very own flower press. And it's real simple, real easy. What you'll start with, now these are really big, but 2 pieces of plywood. This is 1/2-inch plywood, and I laid them flat down together and drilled holes in both sides, and 4 holes, 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you lay them right on top of each other, you just drill right down 4 holes. Then I took these bolts and inserted them into the holes. And now we're ready for our flower press. Now what I also did was I made a handle for the top, and I'll show you that in just a second why you might want to have a handle. Okay, you're also going to need some washers and some wing nuts. Why they're called wing nuts? Because they have wings on them. There you go. All right, and so we'll use these to sandwich the flowers in between. So what we have to do is, first of all, you want to gather some newspaper, okay? So I've got some newspaper, and I'll put some newspaper down in the center of the bottom board. Then I'll take a Kleenex or paper towel, put that down on there. Next, we take our flowers. Now these flowers, like I said, came from Madison Florist. Miss Wendy gave them to us and said, have fun with them. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna put these down flat. Just cut as close to the stem, just cut it off as close as you can. Lay them flat, make sure all the petals are laying flat. Now daisies are my favorite flower. So I'll do some daisies. Okay. Now, sometimes we even have these little tiny ones, and you may want to do the whole plant, the stem. Okay. We can put some of those down. Now that one's kind of full, so what I'll do is I'll take another piece of tissue paper or paper towels. And that kind of helps to absorb the moisture in the flowers. Those flowers have a lot of moisture in them. Take some newspaper, put it down, and I'll start another layer. Okay, so now once we've gotten all of our flowers cut and we've put them newspaper, paper towel, flower, paper towel, newspaper, okay? We take our board, and this is where you might need an extra set of hands. But we will put the top board down. Squish them down. Take our washers and then our wing nuts. And there you go. You have a flower press. So you have this, you can just carry it with. So we put it in a cool, dry place for a couple of weeks, several weeks, and we'll see what happens. I'll show you a couple of things that I did from the fall I went to the mountains. I got some really pretty leaves in the fall, and I pressed these. And you can make artwork out of it, decorate it. We've got all kinds. You can also do ferns. Ferns are really cool to do. So make you a leaf press today. And you'll be ready for spring and summer flowers. And then you can make your own art project out of those things, those dried flowers. Thanks, and you guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time on Wow Wednesday. Bye-bye.